Are you looking for the top 5 carpet shampooer machines you need for deep cleaning in 2026? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 carpet shampooer machines you need for deep cleaning on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. BISSELL Little Green Mini Deep Cleaner. Save on space without sacrificing on cleaning ability. Use BISSELL Little Green Mini Portable Upholstery and Carpet Cleaner to spray, scrub, and lift away tough messes like dirt and stains from all types of surfaces. Easily access hard-to-clean spaces like staircases or car interiors with Little Green Mini Portable Deep Cleaner's lightweight and compact design. Every purchase makes it possible for BISSELL to continue our support of BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission of saving pets in need. Since 2011, BISSELL has donated over $26 million in support of BISSELL Pet Foundation. When you purchase a BISSELL product, you help save pets. 2. Our products are engineered to clean even the toughest messes so pets can stay at home and out of shelters. Number 2. BISSELL Little Green Max Pet Cleaner. Every purchase saves pets. BISSELL proudly supports BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Superior suction, 30% more powerful than the competitive portable deep cleaner, asterisk. Instant and permanent pet stain removal. Used with Triple Action Pet Pro, XY Spot, and Stain Formula with Urine Eliminator and Stain Protect technology to protect against future stains. Self-cleaning tough stain tool. Rinse out left behind residue, dirt, and debris with a one-touch hose and tool cleanout. Easy to use. Longer hose and cord let you easily clean hard-to-reach messes. And the 2-tank technology simplifies filling and emptying while keeping clean and dirty water separate. Spray, scrub, and suction. Triple Action cleaning removes tough set-in pet messes like muddy paw prints, embedded dirt, bio messes, and more. In the box, self-cleaning tough stain tool, specialized pet hair removal tool, 8 ounces trial size BISSELL Pet Pro XY Spot, and stain with Urine Eliminator and Stain Protect technology. Number 3. Hoover PowerDash Pet Plus Compact Carpet Cleaner Machine. With powerful scrubbing action and strong suction, Hoover PowerDash Pet Plus Carpet Cleaner Machines easily tackle pet messes and everyday stains. Our Power Spin Pet Brush Roll provide a powerful clean for high traffic areas and small places while protecting against pet odors. A lightweight design makes the PowerDash easy to use and easy to store. With Heat Force technology for even faster drying, you'll be back on your carpets in no time. For more than 100 years, Hoover has designed powerful, easy-to-use products that clean your entire home from floor to ceiling. Since 1908, consumers and businesses have trusted Hoover to provide reliable, innovative cleaning solutions. Today, we offer a comprehensive line of products for general and special purpose vacuuming, including full-size uprights and canisters, deep cleaners, and hard floor cleaners. Number 4. BISSELL TurboClean Pet XL Upright Carpet Cleaner. The BISSELL TurboClean Pet XL Upright Carpet Cleaner, Model 3746, is a powerful, versatile deep cleaning machine built especially for homes with pets and high-traffic messes. Designed with a 10-inch wide cleaning path and a 1-gallon clean water tank, it lets you cover more carpet with fewer refills, saving time during cleanup. A 4-row deep reach power brush works with strong suction to lift embedded dirt, pet stains, and dander allergen from carpets, stairs, and area rugs. For targeted cleaning, the included 3-inch tough stain tool and spraying crevice tool make it easy to tackle spills and spots on upholstery, pet beds, and hard-to-reach corners. The package also comes with cleaning formula to help break down tough stains and odors while protecting fibers. Lightweight and maneuverable, this upright cleaner delivers reliable performance for everyday maintenance and stubborn pet-related messes. Number 5. COCEAN Carpet Cleaner Machine with Carpet Shampooer. The COCEAN Carpet Cleaner Machine is a compact yet powerful portable cleaning solution designed to tackle stubborn stains, pet messes, and everyday dirt on carpets, upholstery, furniture, car interiors, and rugs. Equipped with 500W motor and up to 18 kilopascal suction power, it efficiently lifts embedded soil and moisture in one pass, helping surfaces dry faster after cleaning. The machine features a dual tank system with separate clean and dirty water tanks, so you can clean longer without frequent refills. A 250 milliliters Carpet Shampooer solution is included to boost stain removal and deep clean performance on fabrics and carpets. This set also includes 4 versatile cleaning tools, multiple brush heads and nozzles designed for various surfaces and stain types, making it easy to attack spots on couches, mattresses, car seats, and more. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. It's a practical choice for homes with pets and busy households.